Hey, how's it going, everyone? Alright, today we are going to go ahead and put some new mirrors on the scooter. I just bought these and they look like they're pretty decent, so let's make sure they're going to work first off. Should screw in this way. And it does. There we go. This is the one that had the bolt broken off inside of it, so it wasn't exactly in the best of shape to begin with, so we'll be real easy with it. Make sure I get it in there nice and good, and don't mess it up. Yeah, there we go. That's that one. Let's get the old one off over here, because it's rusty, and these are, if you notice, this one's a little bit shorter. Never really loosened that, so we're going to go ahead and pull this one off. Also, okay. Yeah, you can kind of see the difference here. The mirror itself is the same size, but the arms are just a little shorter, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches shorter. Which is fine. I don't like them sticking out way too far anyway, so. And there we go. Mirrors are on. Alright. Next thing we've got, I went ahead and bought a Variator kit for it. So we're going to go ahead and put that on. I'm not sure if it needs it or not, but it was $30-something, so I figured what the heck, why not? It's supposed to raise the top end a little bit. It's got 13 gram weights, roller weights. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and put this on. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get this thing lifted up on the lift here a little bit. Give me a second. Alright, let's get to moving and get this Variator kit put on. I've got the kit right here. Everything we need. And get this cover off. So we're going to start with the Kickstarter. And let me find my Allen wrenches. There we go. Starters off, and now we need, looks like an 8mm. I've never taken one of these apart before, so I'm not sure what to expect. But I guess we'll find out, won't we? There it goes. Just needed some convincing, that's all. Okay, I'm back. Let me go ahead and try to get this thing off of here, this fan off. See how it looks. It's on there, isn't it? There. Okay. Fan. This in the washer. Go ahead and pull the belt off. Belt looks good. Yep, don't see anything wrong with the belt. Alright, now this we're going to make sure we keep it all together as we pull it out. There's a piece here. Pull this out. And then we're going to hold this all together while we pull it out, so that way we don't lose any of our rollers. So I just want to make sure you can see that. There you go. There's the rollers. Let's take a look at them and see. Oh yeah, huge flat spot. I don't know if you can see that, but huge flat spot right there. Probably each one of them have it. Yep, huge flat spot, see? So that's why we're replacing them, to get rid of those flat spots. And to get a little more top end. We're supposed to get a little more top end out of this pulley over here, or this variator over here. So let's just dump all the parts out. We do that. Open this one up. You can see the new one I'm putting on is just a little bit bigger, just a tiny bit bigger. So, but it's got more of a curve to it, it looks like. So let's see if I can pull this off without losing anything. Yeah, see, there's the new rollers. Brand new, everything's brand new. All I gotta do is just put it right back on. I may end up replacing them with sliders at some point. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, just putting it on. Getting that on there, and where's my new, here it is. Come on. Alright. Get the belt put back on. Okay. Put the fan back on. Okay, it's good to go. Yep, we are good to go. Pull this gasket off. I'm gonna have to make a new get a new gasket for it, but in the meantime, we'll just do without for now. Yep. Okay, there we go. That's it. Let's throw this away. Get it out of our way. Oh, we gotta put the Kickstarter back on. That might help. Yeah, you can feel like a really good groove in this too. So, this thing was bad. There's no way around it. Let's just get it out of the way. There we go. Alright, let's get it down and take it for a little spin. See if that made any difference. I'll get back to you. Okay, we've got the new Variator on, and we're going to take it for a little test ride just to kind of see how it does and adjust my mirrors while I'm at it. Get that one out there like that. Yeah, there it is. All right, let's go.
Alright, looks like about 40 mile an hour is what I'm getting up to. I should be doing better than that, honestly. I'm wondering if there's something still wrong with the carburetor. So let's get it the other way and get it up, going up that hill and see what it looks like. Yeah, see, the takeoff's just not very fast at all. You can kind of see it takes a while to build up speed. Me better. Yeah, I'm still only hitting about 40 mile an hour. I was sure hoping that Variator would have made a difference, but it's not. So we will see. We will see. Yep, dude on a motorcycle. They they don't usually wave to scooters, but he did. He waved, so that's cool. I wave to scooters when I'm on my motorcycle, because hey, we're all on two wheels, you know. I don't have any animosity against scooter riders at all. I think it's awesome. I love these things. I just wish I could get it go more than 35 mile an hour. Now when I get to the top of the hill, I'll turn around and I'll see what my speed will get coming back down the hill. But yeah, I'm at wide open throttle right now, and it seems to me like there's something else going on still. I should be way faster than this. Maybe my fuel air mixture ratio is not good enough. We'll get to the top of this hill and we'll give it a look. Oh yeah, see, like I'm down to 30, 25, 20. Alright, we'll go ahead and take it home. I mean, it's got plenty of power going up this hill. I'm gaining speed going up this hill. This is my driveway. Alright, anybody have any suggestions? Because I don't know. Sounds like I'm idling kind of high too, so maybe I need to change that. Alright, I'm going to stop this here. Okay, well, it runs. Just doesn't run like I thought it would. I can hold 35 mile an hour all day, even going up hills. But my top speed is about 45. Now if I come down a hill, I can build up a lot of speed, and then I can maintain that speed once I've got it, but I can't build up to that speed. So I'm not sure why. I don't know what's going on. So if anybody has any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think, because I'd like to get this thing going. I mean, like I said, it is going, it's running. And maybe that's normal. Maybe it's only does 45 mile an hour. But from what I heard, these are supposed to go about 60. So this one is, it's a 125, Genuine Buddy 125. And you can kind of see there. And I don't know. Maybe it's just, the carb needs adjusted still. I don't know. I can't think of anything else that would cause the problem. But the carbs seems to be working fine. So I don't know. If you got any suggestions, let me know. I would appreciate it. And if you could, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.